Hey, it's Thursday. At about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I'm going to come up on my 72 hours after surgery. And let me show you what I can do inside the trailer. Now, don't, don't get nervous. No matter where I am, I've got something I can grab onto. But here we go. Now, yes, there's a little pain in the side of my thigh when I do this, but it's very minor. Here we go. Little pain right there, very minor. Check it out. You can actually kind of bounce up and down. This is the bad leg. I can stand on that. There's the good leg. I can stand on that. I can stand on the bad leg. You know, I feel it, but not much. Pretty amazing. Dottie's amazed, aren't you? Hang on. Here's Dottie. What do you think, Dottie? And George, I think, is hiding. So, the things that squeeze my leg with the electronics, those are off today. And later today, Cheryl's going to help me take off these compression socks, if you notice those. And they said the 72 hours, the surgeon said the 72 hours is the worst. And I'm about to come up on it. The swelling, well, let's see if we can move down here. Look at the swelling. This is the affected leg, the unaffected leg. You can see a little bit of a difference, but not much at all. It's the swelling is very, very small. So I'm going to take it easy today. Just walk around in here. I'm going to take it easy tomorrow. And then Saturday, my plan is to go out there on my walker and walk to my campmates and sit outside and enjoy the outdoors. And that'll start my process of going for walks outside. And that'll be not even a week. Isn't that amazing? So Monday afternoon, I was in surgery. Today's Thursday. I can walk back and forth on Saturday. God willing, I'll be out there with my walker. I could do it with my cane, but the surgeons said, no cane. You don't want to take any risks whatsoever of falling. That can be a disaster for you. So no risk of falling. Obviously, out in the desert on the rocks and stuff, big risk. But if I got my full weight on that walker, no risk of falling. I'll be fine. What else? I haven't had to use that oxycodone, so I guess I got through it without having to use that very powerful medication. I'm pretty happy about that. Dottie's gotten pretty much back to normal. She's going out for walks now. She's not like putting on the brakes, being unwilling to leave me. So Cheryl's able to take her off, and she's been doing her business just fine in the past couple of days, so I'm pretty happy about that. Got plenty of appetite. I've been sleeping really well. Last night, I think I got 6 or 8 hours of sleep last night, so I'm feeling really, really pretty good. And you notice I've got 3 videos out today, or yesterday. This is for tomorrow. So today's Thursday, right? I've got 3 videos out. So I'm doing pretty well on the videos. I'm looking forward to doing non-surgery related videos, but it pretty much consumes everything that I'm doing. So everything seems to be on schedule for leaving here on April 7th and heading to New Mexico. And I checked in with my brother, and to remind you, those that may have forgotten or those of you that haven't been watching all the videos, my brother Frank is 13 years older than me. He'll be 79 in July. He had this exact same surgery 3 weeks ago now. He's at the 3-week mark. And he's been calling me every single day with updates. And he's very encouraging and very supportive. And right now what he's struggling with is he can walk unassisted, but his gait, he goes, I still limp. He said, so he's going to a physical therapist and they're working on that limp. He's not limping because of pain. I'm guessing maybe he's limping out of habit or something else or the physical therapist will help him get in. And he can get into that natural gait by using the cane. So he's continuing to use the cane, he said, until he gets to the point where he feels he can walk without a cane and have his gait be normal. And I look forward to the same thing. I wonder too, what my gait will look like when things really heal up here. So, actually, I just, something just occurred to me. I've been walking or standing for 5 minutes, and before the surgery, that was quite painful for me to do. And I'm pain-free standing here right now. So in that respect, things are actually already better from the terms I can stand longer. Certainly, I don't know how long I can stand, but I can stand longer for sure than before, pain-free. So that's exciting stuff. Been able to change my clothes pretty much and use the handy mint leaf body wipes to keep myself nice and fresh. So I feel pretty good about that. I feel clean. What else can I tell you? There's not much else going on. I'm watching TV here. I tell you that that Quest, this thing. Let me show you this thing. You've seen a video on this. I'm so glad I got this, especially for when I needed to be laying down flat. This thing is incredible. I mean, incredible. So check this out. You put this thing on, you fire it up, give it just a second here, and not that you'll be able to see anything, but I can describe what I'm seeing. I'm seeing the Meta Horizons OS logo spinning around. Pick up one of my controllers, and I'm in a virtual world right now. It's like my place isn't here, but I can hit YouTube, and this giant screen is floating in front of me right here. It looks like a 10-foot screen, and if I tilt my head back and press this button, the screen will appear exactly where I'm looking. It's 4K resolution. It's just absolutely amazing. And it's really been, especially when the first couple of days where I had to be really flat with my feet elevated above my heart. This thing was amazing. All right, we got to figure out, we got to put that in properly. And no, I'm not sponsoring this. I don't have a product link for you. It's the Meta Quest 3. You can certainly find that on your own. And look, here's something else I can do. The cord that was plugged into to charge is down here. I can lean down. I can pick a cord up off of the ground. Plug it back in. Seal this baby back up. And put it back down. Here's another tool that is an absolute necessity when, especially in the first couple of days, where the idea of getting up and walking back there to the bathroom is horrible. These things are pretty remarkable. And I don't think I need them anymore, because if I need to go, then that's a signal I need to get up and walk, and that's how I'm going to be getting my exercise. I'm trying to think of what else you might be interested in. I won't pull it down, but I'll show you that the site of incision is right here, and I can pat it like this. No pain, nothing. no tenderness around it. The tenderness is down here where there's just a little bit of swelling, and and that's Cheryl. That's Pup Camper 58. Hey, Pup Camper 58, you are on video live.
Oh my goodness, how are you this morning?
I'm good. I'm up doing a video on my recovery, so.
Oh, okay.
And I was trying to think of a way to fill the time, and you helped me out.
Well, I'm so glad I could be of assistance this morning. How's my girl Dottie?
All right, let me put you on speaker.
Oh,
What was your question?
how's my girl Dottie?
She's on the bed staring at me, wondering what the heck I'm doing. George is hiding.
All right, and how are you this morning?
Well-
How's the pain this morning?
There's really no pain other than walking back and forth. I took off those automated compression things, and I took off my socks, but not. I'm waiting for you to help me take off the compression socks.
Okay.
Also was able to use body wipes to do a complete cleaning.
Well, I am just so glad of that.
Yeah, I bet you are. And I've taken my medications for the morning, and I was just explaining to everybody how I'm doing, and my plans for under supervision exiting the trailer on Saturday.
I know. Yeah, you need a little sunshine, a little vitamin E won't hurt.
Yeah. All right. Well, we're good. And-
Okay, well, I'm going to grab some coffee. I've been actually sitting up in my bed watching your video. I should have been up getting coffee, but I'm going to get some coffee, and then I'll be over to take care of Dottie and help you with any needs. Okay.
All right. I'll see you in a few minutes.
All right.
Take
Bye.
care. Bye. So that's if you know how I get a phone call a couple times a day from Cheryl and 3 to 4 visits from Cheryl. So I'm well taken care of. And I think, isn't that enough content for today's? How much content did I do? Let's see. 12 minutes. That's pretty good. I'll give you an update tomorrow. So just to be clear, when I put weight on it, there's a pinpoint pain right here, and I'd call it a 3 out of 5. It's momentary as I step forward, and I'm sure that'll abate after a few days. We'll see. I'll let you know. Take care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.